Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to change the scale using a line. Let's select this rectangle, then let's make it a copy, CO, then let's make from this point to this point. I want this line is 10 meter and this line is 5 meter. Let's make the first one. Let's make a line. Let's make it 10 meter. After that, let's make a line. The shortcut is AL, then press space, then select your object that you want to align it to this line, then press space. After that, select this point to this point and this point to this point, then press space. After that, press yes from your command or Y, then space. And here it is. Let's select it, then press move. From this point, let's move it to this point. Now let's go to dimension, linear. Let's make this point and this point the same, this point and this point. And here it is. We make the scale from 20 meter and 10 meter to 10 meter and 5 meter.